children, welcome to Trinity Academy Metric High Secondary School. I am D. Mahalakshmi, your social teacher. In Term 3, Class 6, Unit 2, we are going to see a new topic. Yes, globe. The topic, globe. Children, we know there are four main directions. They are east, west, north and south. The directions on the ground are always shown with respect to the north. If we know the north, then it is easy to find the other directions, namely south, east and west. These are the four cardinal directions. We know that the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. If we stand facing the sun in the morning, then we face the east. The west is towards our back. The left hand points towards the north and the right hand points towards the south. We should always keep this in mind. Next, we can see about globe. We live on the planet Earth, which is found third from the sun. Since the Earth is huge and we live on a very small area, we are not able to see the Earth as a whole. But when we travel to space, we can see the Earth as a whole. So, in order to see the shape of the Earth as a whole and to know its unique features, a three-dimensional model of the Earth was created with a specific scale. First, latitude. The imaginary lines which are drawn horizontally on east-west direction on the Earth are called the lines or parallel of latitudes. The 0-degree line of latitude, which divides the Earth into two halves, is known as the equator. The lines of latitude that are drawn horizontally between the equator and the North Pole are called northern latitudes, and those which are found between the equator and the South Pole are called southern latitudes. The lines of latitude consists of 89 parallels in the northern hemisphere and 89 parallels in the southern hemisphere. One at the equator and the two poles are found as points. Totally, there are 181 parallels found on the Earth. Important lines of latitude. The Earth rotates on its axis at an inclination of 23.5 degrees. It also revolves around the sun while rotating. Longitudes. The imaginary lines drawn vertically connecting the North Pole and the South Pole are called lines or meridians of longitude. These lines of longitude are seen as semicircles. The 0-degree line of longitude is called the prime meridian. The lines of longitude are found as semicircles covering 111 km at the equator, 79 km at 45-degree latitude, and no space between the lines at the poles. Greenwich Meridian. The Royal Astronomical Observatory is located at Greenwich near London in England. According to the International Meridian Conference held in 1884 in Washington, D.C. in the USA, all nations agreed on choosing the Greenwich Meridian as the international standard meridian, 0 degree. This line of longitude is called the prime meridian, and it is also known as the Greenwich meridian because it passes through Greenwich. International data line. The 180-degree line of longitude has been fixed as the international data line drawn on the Pacific Ocean between Alaska and Russia through Bering Strait. If a person crosses this line from the west to east, he loses a day. On the other hand, when he crosses from the east to west, he gains a day. Based on this, the data is fixed for different countries or regions of the world. The international data line is not straight. If the line is drawn straight, two places in the same country would have different dates. So the international data line is found zigzag in certain places to avoid confusion. Longitude and time. As many as 360 lines of longitude are drawn to connect the north and the south poles around the earth. 180 degree on the eastern hemisphere and 180 degree on the western hemisphere. Time is calculated on the basis of the lines of longitude. The imaginary lines of latitude and longitude from a grid-like pattern on the surface of the earth known as the earth grid. Standard time. Local time is calculated when the sun is overhead at noon. Many lines of longitude may pass through a country. Countries may or may not observe a common time. The standard time of a country or a part of it is calculated keeping a particular meridian called as a standard one. Standard time. Local time is calculated when the sun is overhead at noon. Many lines of longitude may pass through a country. Countries may or may not observe a common time. The standard time of a country or a part of it is calculated keeping a particular meridian called as a standard one. The world has 24 time zones. Some countries have a great longitudinal extent, so they have more than one standard time. Example, Russia has 7 time zones. At the end of this lesson, to understand the 4 cardinal directions, to learn about the shape of the earth, to understand about the model of the earth, the globe, to understand the significance of lines of latitude and longitudes, to know how standard time is calculated around the world. I hope you all would have understood. Thank you.